scalable microservice architecture. Our goal is to demonstrate how Tractly will empower our teams to be more focused, transparent, and productive. Let's begin. Tractly's core functional strengths: secure user authentication and flexible workspace management, project and task organization, real-time notifications, analytics and reporting tools, integrated subscription and payment management via Stripes, admin dashboard for comprehensive monitoring and control. We use microservices architecture built with Node.js and Express. Reliable transactional storage using Postgres databases. Redis employed for caching and queue management to enhance performance. Secure RESTful APIs protected with JWT authentication. Docker containerization combined with Docker Compose orchestration for consistent development. Nginx as a reverse proxy enabling load balancing and efficient routing. Production ready development pipelines to ensure system reliability and uptime. Microservice architecture. Core services overview. Auth service handles user authentication, workspace management, and JWT token processing. Project service manage projects. Task service manage tasks. Email service execute email notification, manage Redis queue jobs, and schedules messaging. And comment and file service handle the file uploads via Cloudinary, manages comments and attachment to support the user interaction. Admin service manages subscription payment processing through Stripes, analytics, and admin dashboard for system control. Notification system delivers real-time notification and tracks user activity to enhance engagement and responsiveness. Redis support caching and queuing management to optimize performance and message handling across services. PostgreSQL databases dedicated PostgreSQL instance per service, ensuring reliable isolated data storage and management. Nginx reverse proxy and load balancer routes incoming traffic efficiently and balance the load across services to maintain system stability and scalability. Scalability. Services scale independently match demand, ensuring efficient resource use. Maintainability. Isolated code base with clear boundaries specify updates and reduce risk. Resilience. Failures contained within services prevents system-wide outages. Technical flexibility. Teams select optimal tech stacks per service for best performance. Team organization. Independent service development enables parallel workflows and fast deliveries. Deployment speed. Independent development cycles accelerate release frequently and reduce downtime. Thank you for listening to the presentation. Let's see a quick demonstration. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to this page, and there you have to enter your first name, last name, email, and the password. Create the account. So let me quickly demonstrate how you're gonna create the account. Then you will receive an email. Okay, once you go to the email account, you will see that you have received an email from Tractly. So then you have to verify your email address. Re-enter your credentials. In this dashboard, you can see the number of workspaces, the active projects, pending tasks completed today. So then you will see a graph of what have you done so far. So this is the task calendar, then my workspaces. And also one thing I have to mention here is once you log in for the first time, automatically there will be a workspace for you. So by default it will create. So yeah, so until since we don't have any data to show in this new account, I will quickly log into an existing account so that you can see this graph and task. Once you log into the account, you can see a graph of pie chart and this type of a graph, and also you can see this calendar view. In this calendar view you can see the deadlines of all of the tasks that you have assigned. Also, once you come to this page, you can see all the workspaces that you are assigned. So this one is my default workspace, and this one is one of my friends workspace. So he have assigned me as a project manager, so that's why I can see this workspace in my interface. So to demonstrate the admin's account, I will go to my workspace. Once you go here, you can see that admin permissions. So you can manage members and invite and remove members, manage member roles, delete workspaces, create and manage projects. So these things are only available for admin. For a member, these things, settings, invite members, these things will not be allowed. So let me quickly show you that. So in my friend's workspace, I am not the admin, so that I cannot see this setting page, setting button and the invite button. And also, when we come to this page, we can pin this workspace to a sidebar. So what I have done is I have pinned this workspace to my sidebar. So then I can easily access my projects from here. So yeah, I'll show you how to invite a member. So you can use either this button or this button. So let for the easiness, I'll use this button. So then you will find a interface like this. So what I'll do is I'll quickly add the account that I created previously. So and I'll add it. Once you come here, you will see that the request tag is pending. So what I have to do is go to the Gmail and accept the invitation. So let me quickly work through. Okay, since I am a team member, these settings are not allowed for me. That's how you can add the member to the workspace. I will click on this project. So I have completed this project up to 42%. So once I click this project, I will direct to a page where I can see my project's dashboard. So in there I can see these tabs: overview, task, Kanban board, calendar, members, file and settings. As I mentioned before, if I am not the manager, if I am just the team member, I cannot see this settings and members tab, because it it won't allow me to add members or change the project settings. So what you can see here is, in the overview tab, you can see the total tasks, completed tasks, in progress tasks and overdue tasks. Now I will quickly go to this task tab. So once you come here, you can see the task that you are assigned to. So once you come here, you can see the Kanban board. Then in this calendar, you can see all the deadlines only for this project. Now I'll assign a member to this project. So what I can do is go to this one, and from here I can click this button. Then what I can do is I'll add the member. Then I'll add it to the project. Go to this directory, files, and we can add files. So let me quickly demonstrate how you can add a file. Okay, the file is uploaded. So that's how you can upload a file. So then this is the settings page.
So here we have the My Task page. So here we get the data of the total tasks that we have made, that has been assigned to us, or that we have made for ourselves. We can create a new task. As you can see inside the deployment project, a new task has been made. And here we can also group all of the tasks that has been assigned to us. We can group it using these four And then we can also order it using these. And for the task itself, we can change the status of the task from to do to in progress to done. And this is inside of the task. So here we can add any comments related to the task. So the project manager can add comment here, for example, and the assignee can view it at any time. And we can edit the task as well. So here it has been edited. Next, we have the subscriptions page. Okay. So here we can change the subscription. So currently I'm in the enterprise plan. I can switch to business plan. So this we have integrated Stripe. And it has been changed. And here we have the billing history as well. Next, in settings, we can change our password, enable two-factor authentication, or even delete the entire account. And in the inside the profile, we can change our details. So here we will check the admin panel. So if you are registered as an admin for Trackly, then we can sign in here. Immediately you will see the dashboard, the admin dashboard here with the total users, active users, total revenue, and the number of subscription plans active right now. Next, we can go to user management here. So here we have the user data. This is ordered by the login date, the creation date of when they became a user. The number of users are here. And we can also change the user itself directly from the admin panel. And here we have the subscription management. So if we can either edit the current plan here or even deactivate it and even create a new plan. And also payment history can be seen here. We can filter it using this criteria. And every payment that was made will be visible here. And this is the analytics page of the admin panel. So here all the analytics that the admin needs to know will be present. All of these are fetched from the backend, all of the charts and the figures here. And finally, the profile page. Here you can see, just as in the normal user account, it's the same here. So we can edit the profile as well.